Alright guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to draw Dark Lord Fu from Super Dragon Ball Heroes Big Bang Mission. Okay guys, let's get started. Dark Lord Fu is a highly evolved form of the original main villain, which we call Fu. Dark Lord Fu was given Mechikabura's power by his mother Toa and his father Mira. Anyways, when he was given the dark power, he evolved into something scary and more malicious, turning him into Dark Lord Fu. Toa and Mira became servants to him, but the only reason why he got this power is to revive the universe tree. Now that his universe has been born, he's gonna use that power to destroy the other universes. Well, he's actually gonna build a universe only he can rule. How evil is that? Anyways, when drawing Dark Lord Fu, you must draw his body and his head and his eyes. I waited a long time to draw this character, and nothing's gonna stop me from drawing it. Anyways, let's just hope that Vegeta and Goku are alright in the universe that Fu created. I heard that he befriended Cumber. Oh, sorry, I shouldn't have said that. Spoiler alert. I was supposed to say that for another episode. There's his head. Let's work our way down, shall we? Alright. And yes. There we go. There we go, there's the belt. We'll just draw the rest of them. Alexa, play Universe Mission.
Super Dragon Ball Heroes Universe Mission by Mark DeGroot on Amazon Music.
With a slam, slam, slam. Stop the battle in a jam, jam, jam.
The final hit is a bam, bam, bam.
This heartbeat powers my head, let's get started. First we're getting fucked, then we crash, winning in the left.
Now for the hand.
All this passion underneath is my newfound energy. Focusing for sure, sight is set through the universe and its threats. My heart's dancing to its beat as we're heading for the ring. It's the tale of the pros when nobody knows. Super Dragon Ball Heroes. Can you hear a voice that gives out a cry? I'll toss the banner you've got inside. All are trapped, their freedom gone in the war. Lost from the future that's just beyond the door. Break out of prison with a slam, slam, slam. No problem even in a jam, jam, jam.
We jump to action with a bam, bam, bam.
Light bursts from all the scene, let's get sparking. First we're getting pumped, then we clash.
Okay, now we just draw the rest of his body.
We laugh. All this passion underneath.
Now for his pants.
My newfound energy. Focusing for sure, sight is set through the universe and its threats. My heart's dancing to its beat as we're heading for the ring. It's a tale of the pros when nobody knows. Super Dragon Ball Heroes.
Now we just draw the line striped.
Now we let the wheels fill the room. Hearts are gonna beat with a boom.
After that you'll understand this horizon never ends. If we lose a fight, I admit it's okay to cry.
Finally, there's the cape.
But we'll keep on going forward, burning brightly to the core. Always energized,
And there we go. That's how you draw Dark Lord Few. Sorry it took me so long. I finally got to draw him. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye.